knocking on my door. Call, call. You poking and nosing on my shit. Why? America tonight. Ooh, flexing, flexing, desperado. Turn up, spending my dough. Paparazzi all in my door. You know. Ooh, knocking on my door. Call, call. You poking and nosing on my shit. Why?
How you doing, sir? I know you African boys just moved in and everything, but y'all making a whole lot of damn noise. What's going on?
Nothing, no. Nothing is going on, no. I'm Dbanj, or Dbanj from Africa. I just came in. I just moved in. It's my house. It's my house. This is my house. We're having an open house party. Yes. Are you D-Rock?
No.
You look like D-Rock, my brother. D-Rock in the building, C-Rock in the building. Please join my party. Join my neighbor. Are you boys D-Rock in the neighbor? Well, come.